If you are facing Snapchat sound or not working, then today's video will help you. So, hello everybody, SIAppsInfo here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to fix Snapchat notification not working problem. So, let's start. First of all, update your Snapchat app from your Play Store or App Store and then open it. After that, you can see a profile icon beside the search bar in the top left side, then click on that. After that, you can see your profile all details here. So if you are going to fix the sound, then you have to click on the setting icon beside the share button in the top right side. So click on that. Here you can see lots of options there. So scroll down, you can see option that notification. Now click on that. After that, scroll down, you can see a sound option and a ring option. So you have to check that this is turned on or turned off. If this turned off, then click on the turned on option. So after that, if this not work, then you have to go to the setting option, then scroll down or up, you can see the apps option. This is same as Android and iPhone. So go to the apps option and then you can see Snapchat option in your apps section. Then you can have to go to the permission option and then you can see the allowed option, so and the not allowed option. So if you are see the microphone option or phone option not allowed, then you have to allow those options. So if you are see the option is look like this, don't allow option, so you have to click on the allow only while using the app or allow every time. So I think you have to click allow only while using the app. So I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Or if you are facing any kinds of problem, then don't forget to comment below and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next one. Bye.